why we had to do this on Friday. Friday is usually the day, everybody start doing a Bobby Shmurda. You just start throwing, you throw your head up in the air, and now I can just do whatever I want to do. No, this is don't have Friday or the weekend be the time when you just throw everything out the window. You start eating whatever you want to do. You start just everything is just everywhere. People who are super successful, the traits of the greats, they manage all of their time. We have to manage all of our time, guys, especially going into this weekend.
And you know what's crazy? And I'm just gonna give him an example, right, of mastering your time. So wifey, she getting the hair done, you know what I'm saying, getting ready, grandma's memorial. And she was like, yo, can you grab salad? I was like, I got you. She like, I'm starving. I'm like, bet, I got you, because we own what you own. We do the morning boy, early afternoon, and then we try to wrap it up, like you said. Bruh, on life, I went to go get her salad. I must have bumped into maybe 3 or 4 people who recognized me and wanted to do and I was like, bruh, I got to be a master of my time. Like, yo, you ain't got to deal with my wife. Like, you feel me? Like, you ain't hungry right now, or your girl ain't hungry. Like, I don't know, but I'm not going to allow 4 people take 10 minutes. That's 40 minutes for me to get back. I just want to make it practical for folks, how you don't manage your time. You feel me? So yeah. If 4 people want to tell me their story of which video they watched, you know what I'm saying, and what I did for them, you know what I'm saying, and then get a pick, and then they always got to do 2 or 3 to get the right one. I ain't mad at you, but tonight ain't tonight. You saw me at the wrong time. And one dude was like, yo, E, what up? I don't want to take a lot of your time. I'm like, you can't. Not tonight, bro. I got to get back up to this joint, or it's going to be on and popping while she getting her hair done. She going to be pissed. So let me go. So I'm just telling y'all, you think I'm playing, but a little scrolling here, a little scrolling there, a little flicking of the channel here. Let's do 1 or 2. It's the weekend. Let's let them just Friday go to their thing. Give us 2. We're gonna get them out of here. Let's do me. Don't forget Monday. Any husband, any father, any son, any nephew, any mentee, tell them they need to be on the men's prayer call. That's 256-530-0570. All right, 256-530-0570. 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. All right, get on. We're going to be on until it's the conference, May 21st. This is free. It's not going to cost you nothing. There's nobody trying to sell you nothing at the end of it. You don't push no buttons. You come right in. Come in, get ready to give. Whatever your prayer requests, whatever your concerns are, we're going to pray for you. One of the speakers will be on each Monday, just dropping dimes on you. Like, the conference don't start till the 21st. We're not going to wait to bless you until the 21st. We're not going to do that. We're going to wait to meet together on the 21st. We're going to wait to meet together on the 21st. Yeah. We're going to wait to drop the gems to that day. All right.
This is a good one. We got to jump on this one. Would you go as far as to remove those people from your social media contacts?
Listen to me closely. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes.
Yeah.
Put them on silent for now or something. I don't know. If you can
mute them. Put them on mute.
Yeah, mute them.
You don't know how to put them on mute? Ask Nikki. Nikki got a bunch of reels and videos to show you how to put people on mute.
Ask Nikki. We'll tell Nikki to put that one up. Like, Nikki, can you put? Is Nikki on here? I don't know if she's on here or
not. How do I find the consistency to work hard every day and break laziness and bad habits?
Just said it. Here's the deal.
Yeah.
It's not easy to break laziness. You have to replace it with something greater than laziness. So what is it that you feel me? Like, what is it that you're trying to break? So for me and Q, for us, it's important to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning because we're both, like people, and we love to see people grow and shine. So for us, it's no question that we're getting up Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Like to meet you, like, yo, we really get to meet y'all in these streets. Like, I'm in these streets, like, we really get to meet you. May 21st, we're gonna meet people who are gonna be like, yo, I was on the 3 a.m. It's people who sent us like t-shirts designs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Back, and when we doing it in December.
For sure.
Like, we got to get this t-shirt going. We got to get this club going. So at the end of the day, something positive has to be greater than the negative in order for you not to do the negative. And I say this is statistical. It shows that at least 80% of every human who has not trained their mind has 80% of their thoughts are negative. So if most humans have 30,000 thoughts a day. So if you say 8 times 30, I believe that's what, 24? 24
Yes.
of the 30,000 thoughts are negative. So the only way you're going to be able to do, did you hear what I just said?
Yeah.
I'm not playing. Statistics show that humans, if the brain is not trained, if you've not trained your brain, 80% of your thoughts automatically go to the negative. So that's 24,000 out of 30,000 thoughts that are pure negative automatically. You don't have to do nothing. You won't have to help the brain. It's just gonna think something dumb. Yeah, that's Nikki right there. I told you. It's just gonna think dumb. You feel me? It's just gonna think dumb. And so it's gonna think negative. So do me a huge favor. Find something that is stronger from the positive standpoint. And then I promise you, find you a why, find you a reason. I promise you, you're gonna wake up. It's not gonna be we doing it, y'all. It ain't, and I'm gonna be real. The first time we did it in December, you saw a couple times we was a little groggy there. And these last 2 weeks we've been up at it.
Yeah, it's a certain energy. Listen, let's come back Monday, bro.
All right.
I will see you Monday.
Yeah, we'll see y'all
Because
Monday.
guess what?
Do me a favor. Don't waste everything. All the momentum you built this week, don't waste it. Remember what I told you. It's not going to be easy, but you have what it takes to get it done. Start today by making the rest of your life the best of your life. Man, we'll see y'all on Monday. Let's go.
Hey, much love.